There are at least 3 or 4 major types of AI. So, first, you have generative AI that includes large language models. Generative AI, as the name implies, generate outputs, and LLMs generate specifically text based outputs, but they're not very good at many other things. So, for example, things like prediction. So, that actually brings us to the second type of AI, which is supervised learning. We sometimes call these predictive models. Supervised learning predicts either categories typically or numbers. So supervised learning is really good at making precise predictions. Anytime you need to make a prediction in your business, it's very likely that you need a supervised learning system. The third type of AI is unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning only finds structure in data. Unsupervised learning, it's actually really good for strategic purposes. We often use various types of unsupervised learning for either segmentation or product analysis. And you can essentially use it for marketing strategy, go-to-market strategy, product strategy, and a variety of other things. You also have AI agents, which are kind of related to large language models, but they're different enough that they're sort of their own thing. And you could even go further. You have things like computer vision, which literally analyzes image data. What I'm trying to emphasize here is that there are multiple different types of artificial intelligence, and each one has strengths and weaknesses and various areas of application in a business. So if you're serious about using AI to increase revenue, increase profit, and grow your business, you need to, number one, you need to understand the different types of AI. You need to understand their strengths and weaknesses. And you also need to understand the types of data that are required to run those systems.